Here's a Apple Watch Series 10 and you have an issue where your screen is frozen or unresponsive. Maybe you can't swipe, or maybe you're trying to even power it off. Maybe you can't even get here, the screen doesn't work, or you can get here and you try to slide the power off and the screen doesn't work and whatnot. Okay, so very simple. The only thing you got to do is force a restart. Okay, and force a restart is a two-key combination. What you want to do is press and hold the digital crown and the side button together. Press and hold and keep holding until the Apple logo appears. Okay, so let's just pretend like my screen here is frozen. I can't do nothing with this watch. We're going to go ahead and force a restart. Digital crown, side button, ready, set, go. Press and hold both buttons. Keep on holding both buttons until we see the Apple logo appear. I'm still holding both buttons down. Just wait. Where's that Apple logo? Still holding both buttons. Apple logo is right there. Go ahead and let go and let this wait for it to boot up. And once it boots up, hopefully your watch is now working. It's no longer frozen or unresponsive. And there we go, we're back up. Now, if it boots back up and it freezes again, do the same thing again. Okay, sometimes you got to do it twice. Anyway, there you go.